Hey guys, we're gonna be showing you how to make slime in like a few seconds with just like how many ingredients. I don't know how, because she's the one who does this. This is my friend from yesterday. Yeah, and we're making slime with dry clay. This is not the one that we use. Basically, I just bought this yesterday. We bought a new one. That's hers. And yeah, we're eating chips. So first, just have to add water, and also you have to make sure. Oh my god! Bro, the water squirted everywhere. Okay, so we're mixing it, and it's starting to get a bit like slimy. And yeah, chip break ASMR. Okay, so we also have to add what do you call this? The Joy soap, the dishwashing liquid thingy. Yeah. So yeah, it's starting to look a bit like slime now. We just have to add a little bit of water. Another chip break. ASMR, bro.
So if blah, blah. So if it's too sticky, you can add Joy.
Yeah. Basically a activator.
I don't know.
So another chip break. Alright guys. Starting to look like slime. Yeah, so
Tada.
and is it slime now? ASMR.
Wala naman.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna touch it. Oh my god, guys, we just made actual slime. This is amazing.
Add a little lotion.
While you are doing that, I'm cooking Sophia's
yeah, and guys, I'm at my friend's house. So yeah. Basically, you guys follow her on TikTok. Slime is looking like slime now. So yeah. Another chip. She's adding lotion for some reason. I don't know why. Why do you need to add lotion, Pia?
Para maging soft.
So that's how you make slime. Water, Joy, dry clay, and lotion if you want it to be soft. Bye guys!